I did a set of nails the other day. They're so gorgeous. Check it out. How did I make them? With my new Mica Mixers. What are they? Let me show you. Let's get started. That's one thing about being a nail technician for 35 years, then starting a YouTube channel of people wanting product and showing how to do designs and technique and education. You get a chance to create product. And one thing that I've really always wanted is colors that you can mix in with whatever medium you're working with, whether it's acrylic, hybrid gel, hard gel, soft gels, whatever you're working with. So I have 6 beautiful new colors, and I'm going to use 2 of that today from my collection. I'm calling them Mica Mixers. And with my builder gel, sculpting gel, hard gel, all means the same thing, we are going to mix my mixers, Mica Mixers, with my sculpting gel. And here it is here. So I'm going to use hard gel, sculpting gel, builder gel today, and I will have more videos to show you can do it with hybrid gel and acrylic. But today we're going to use this one. And I'm just going to break the seal here, open it up. Okay, so I'm going to get my paddle. I just want to start with the clear gel nail first, and I'm just going to grab a scoop. And I'm going to place it right here. I'm just going to leave that because I'm going to use it to mix it. Now, just to make sure I don't make any mistakes, I'm just going to put that like that so I don't cure by mistake. I'm working with the colors blue and green. They are very strong in pigment, which means they are condensed in color. So you need very little. So check out the green. Okay, and then I'm going to use the blue. Oh, so pretty. The other colors are purple, pink, white, and gold. So I'm just going to get a little scoop, and I'm going to, let's do the blue first. Look how much I need. Look how little I'm getting. So all I'm going to do is just tap it into that little pile of gel that I've got. And then I'm going to take my wand and I'm going to slowly mix it in there together. So you can see it's sort of threaded through. It's not solid in there. Then I'm going to take I'm going to clean this little guy first. So I don't transfer the one color to the other. And that is, I'm just going to clean the end of it. Just going to give it a little swipe and then hit the dry part too. So it's nice and dry so it doesn't stick on there. Okay, then I'm going to go in and get a little scoop of green. Just a little pinch. Just a little bitty pinch. And I'm going to tap it onto there again. Might as well clean it now that I can. And I'm going to mix the green in there too to get that sort of blend of 2 colors, but not completely blended. Okay, now I'm going to get a tip. Then I'm going to scoop up that gel and I'm going to place it on my nail or my form or my tip, whatever you're working with. Then I'm going to get me gel brush. And then I am going to swirl it around. And I love those swirly marks that it's creating in there. Just love that. It's so gentle, and you can make it as intense as you want. And I'm just going to need a little bit more. It's a very long nail I'm making, so I should have got more to begin with. And I'm going to scoop. I really like the blue, so I think I might use actually a little more of that. And then I'm going to get a little bit more green. Oh, the color. I'm just looking at the tip right now. It is gorgeous. Look at that tip. I love the thread of color going through there. Okay, I'm going to mix this one up now. I'm going to swirl this in together. Ooh, that looks cool. I could watch that all day, actually. And I'm just going to fold it in together. like you would if you were folding in the cheese. You get it. Oh, that is gorgeous. Love that. Okay. Now I'm going to pick up some of it. I'm going to get my gel brush and just walk it down the nail, putting it in place.
Wow, that's cool.
Isn't that? I hope the camera can pick up the subtle, beautiful detail of the swirls. Well, you can get pretty close, Cameraman, so I'm sure you can.
Yeah, no, it looks great.
It is gorgeous. Now, when I was playing around with it, I noticed something else I can do. Let me just get out another color. I'm gonna show you.
You don't have to cure that yet?
No.
It's not gonna slide
down? No, you could, because you could put another layer on, but I'm gonna put it right in here. Here's something else you can do. You can pick up a little bit of gold, and you can even just drop it. You see that? Or you can mix it. I'm going to just take a little bit of this, and you could mix it right in here, right on this my working tile there. Okay, I'm just going to stir it in. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness. Okay. Remember this I put on top here? I just dropped it on. Let's swirl it in.
Oh, yeah.
Very cool. And this, I think I'm going to take some of this off. That's what I love about gel. You can just take it off. It's not cured on there, so you have the freedom to do that. So let's pick up this and blend that in and see how that looks. Now, if I was watching this, I'd be thinking, couldn't you do that with all the colors? Yeah, you could simply just, and I'm going to try it just to see what it looks like. Here's the blue. I mean, I may ruin it, but this is how you find out your limitations of what you can and can't do. You just try it. And I'm going to see if I'm mixing it right on here, how the blue looks. Oh, it's not bad. I will say, the more you do mix it though, the more you could ruin it. So it starts to look a little muddy of the colors once you start to mix them more together. And that may be what you're looking for, that color. You could keep mixing, and I find the blue and the gold together, really heavily mixed, is quite beautiful. It has that sort of peacock color, you know, those blue-green peacock feathers. Love that. But it gives me the feeling of the ocean because of the swirls of the colors. Let's see if we can drop a little more gold in there. So cool. Look at that. That is cool. Okay, so then you want to cure it up. And then you want to shape it a little bit and get the shape that you're looking for, and then we top coat it. So you can see all the different designs that you can create. It's totally, once I even did it where I just did one layer of the blue and then cured it and then did the other layer of the green. I didn't like it as much. When I mixed it together, I seemed to get the look that I was looking for today. My taste might change tomorrow or next week when I try it again. But let's take a look at all the photos that I was able to take from this beautiful design. One thing I love about being a nail technician, I get to play scientist and mix whole new colors. You can really custom design them for each and every client. If you're interested in playing scientist and you want to mix your own colors, I have this full collection available on my online store. I recently built beautiful, long gel nails I call icicles. Beautiful video I'm very proud of. Check it out.